I'm recording. It's okay.
Oh my gosh, there's so much snorting.
I know. This is Freckles.
Hi.
Hi, Margaret.
Hey, Margaret.
Why aren't you here with us?
Margaret, Annie misses you.
Margaret, did you leave the milk on the counter?
Oh no. Did you refill the humidifiers yet?
I hope you did. Margaret, don't forget to put the leashes back where they belong. We miss you, Margaret.
Oh, and we're bringing Petunia back.
This is
This is our
Petunia,
new dog.
the dog, one of the dogs that nobody wants. He's really, really nice.
That everybody should.
Yeah,
yeah.
they should want, and they don't, because they only want Boston Terriers.
What is that?
I speak from experience.
Look, it's baby Wiggles. It's Wiggles when she was a puppy.
Yeah,
Baby Wiggles.
12 weeks old. She could go to Montreal.
Yeah. It's nice and cold there.
He wouldn't like it very much. Baby Freckles could go.
Yeah.
There's Freckles' butt.
Yep, Freckles' butt. You gonna show your butt too?
Oh, see, this is what Petunia does. He just lays his head on you.
Oh.
No, I mean, he's just such a great cuddler. Yeah, he's an older Chihuahua. He's not a senior, but he's he's a tan Chihuahua and an older dog, and that makes him less interesting to people, unfortunately.
But look at his face.
Hi.
I think he's adorable.
I do
He is.
With his floppy ears.
I do too.
His big
And his
round
little
nose.
nose.
I miss you, Margaret. Say goodbye to
I
Margaret.
miss you too. Bye-bye.
How much do you miss her?
Like this much.
I miss you more. And I gave your allowance to Christiana, so make
Don't
sure
worry, I put
you-
it in your bank account.
Yeah, right. I saw her put it in her pocket, if you must know.
Yeah, the bank account.
Yeah,
Bye.
you gotta go in there and spend some time with Gideon.